Hi everybody, I want to show you this really cool technique that I just did using my Spellbinders dies and my Grand Caliber, and I'm really excited about it, so I'm going to show it to you right away. And if you can't quite see the details on this, please make sure that you pop on over to my blog at www.kimberly-crawford.blogspot.com and check it out, because this is so great. So what I did like a faux letterpress, except what I did is I actually took the die template shape and pressed it into my cardstock. And how I did this was I took, and you can see here, I took labels 6, which I love. I think it looks like a cloud. I took label 6 and I die cut out of some Quaker oatmeal breakfast bar box. I cut out some clouds, and so I have these 3 little pieces here cut out from cardboard, so they're nice and they're stiff and they're a little bit thicker than cardstock. And what I did was I took a piece of cardstock and I just placed, kind of got an idea of where I wanted the clouds. And then what I did is I put them down and I put the cardstock into them. I covered it with my tan embossing mat, and of course we do everything on the A plate, the base plate. We build from there. Okay. And then just to make sure that I got a little bit extra push, because I just wasn't sure, I took just a couple sheets of cardstock and put it over the top, and I topped it with my my embossing plate, and I'm going to emboss this. So I'm going to move my caliber over a little bit, and I'm going to take this knob, and remember now this is a suction cup, which helps your machine stay down to the table. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to crank this through. You can see it sticks to the table really nice. I'm only doing one hand with that. And I'm just embossing this because I'm trying to press those pieces of cardboard in there. And there I'm through. And now all I'm going to do is just go ahead and I'm just going to unlatch my suction cup and move my machine over and show you what I did and how cool this is. Look, you can see. So you could have it, embossed or debossed, depending on which way you wanted to do this. Isn't this cool? Imagine all the possibilities for all the different shapes and layering and backgrounds. So I hope you're inspired, enjoy, and have fun. Thanks!